Going to see about the most important reference books for your semester 6 and in the third year. Basically, the pharmacology and medicinal chemistry ends, and this is the most important, the semester in your all in overall in the third year. So we'll discuss the books firstly with pharmacology. For pharmacology, there's a book called Rang and Dale, which is a foreign author book. But I would recommend that you opt for KD Tripathi, because in that it's like a standard book. You can get all the classifications, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics of your syllabus. So right from immunosuppressants, immunostimulants, all the immunomodulators, antibiotics, anti-ulcer, anti-asthmatic, COPD, chemotherapeutic drugs are for malaria, tuberculosis, leprosy, antiviral drugs, antifungal drugs, anti-malarial, anti-amoebic. You can get all of it in one book itself. And Lipin Code, if you want, you can go for revision in that book, because usme no you'll get specific allotted small boxes in which there are important points. And if you want much in detail, KD Tripathi is a better book. In Lipin Code, you can just have a revision or a go through look. And these two books are said to be optimum for pharmacology. Also, there's one more book called Sparsh Gupta. In Sparsh Gupta, you'll get good content, but again, it's not much in detail in pharmacodynamics, ADR, pharmacokinetics, but you will get all the important points of individual drugs, whether it be antibiotics like sulfonamides, cephalosporins, beta-lactam, aminoglycosides, macrolides, all of it you'll get it properly over there. So you can refer that book as well. Next, we have medicinal chemistry 2. For that, definitely, if you have obviously referred Wilson and Griswold for the previous 3 semesters, so this time also go for that book because you'll be comfortable. If you have referred for any other book in the previous year, so please continue that book only, because then adapting a new book in the final semester of medchem would give you a little difficulty. Foa is another good book. For synthesis, you must refer Kleeman, because Kleeman is the best book for synthesis. Foa is a good book, but yes, definitely the language is a little complicated. So you can opt for Wilson and Griswold. According to the PCI, there have been few books of Nirali. You can have a go through look upon it, but in that, no, it's not much in detail, like the mechanism of action, few ADR. So it's better you refer Wilson and Griswold for that. And in medicinal chemistry, again, the most important topics are antibiotics, beta-lactam, aminoglycosides, tetracyclines, macrolides, cephalosporins, nitrofurantine, nitroimidazole. They are important. And if you go to see, other important part is antifungal drugs, antiprotozoal, anti-tubercular drugs, anti-leprotic drugs. So you can go for that. Next, we have quality assurance. So quality assurance is basically a subject that is introduced for the first time in the PCI syllabus. And definitely quality assurance may you need to learn about the validation, about quality control, quality assurance, about good manufacturing practices, etc., etc. So you'll get an idea about the different GLP calibration, SOPs, and how the exactly the actually the industry works. So basically, you have good books of that are of PCI, Manoj sir's book, but these are the two books that are actually good. Total Quality Management, TQM, by Kushik Maitra, and GLP, that is Good Laboratory Practices, by Sandy Weinberg. In this, the language is a little complicated, but yes, you'll get good content. Similarly, for Total Quality Management by Kushik Maitra, there's good language and you can get a better idea for quality assurance from this book. Pharmaceutical biotechnology. Biotechnology mean basically most important is about vaccines, your immunity, the western blotting, the southern blotting, the PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. These are the few important aspects of pharmaceutical biotechnology. There are many books that are available for biotechnology. The best book for pharmaceutical biotechnology is the Indian author. I have not mentioned it here because I thought that uh, besides the standard book, there should be two different books so that you can get an idea. Satya Narayan, that you had referred for biochemistry. Similarly, there's a book for biotechnology as well. Satyanarayan, do refer it. It is the best book. You'll get all the concepts clear, concise manner. Besides that, these are the two other books, Glick and Pasternak book and J.M. Walker and E.B. Gingold. So these are the two good books that you can refer besides Satyanarayan for biotech. And basically, you have to focus on few important topics only, like mutation, the types of mutation, the genetics, the transposons, plasmids, cosmids, the rDNA technology, the hybridoma technology. These are the important points of biotech. So you'll find in these books. Next, we have HBT, that is herbal drug technology. This is similar to pharmacognosy. You can refer, but the books of reference are a little different. Essentials of Pharmacognosy by S.H. Ansari and Pharmacognosy book by V.D. Rangari. Rangari is a very, very famous book for HBT, so you can refer it, and the language is also very simplified. Similarly, for Essential of Pharmacology by Ansari, so that is also a very, very good book, so you can refer any of these. We have finally Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics. Best book for this is Brahmankar. Brahmankar, you will get everything in a concise, important points, everything in this book. And the language is also very easy to understand. And few topics जो आपने पहले किए हुए हैं, those are repeated, like the pseudopolymorphism, polymorphism, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion. So it will be easy if you go for this book. Also, there are a few other books like Remington, there's not much data in that with respect to biopharmaceutics. You'll get few concepts only. You won't get everything in that single book. So other book is Biopharmaceutics by Swarbrick. Swarbrick's book is also very, very nice, but the language is a little complicated, so it could be difficult for you.